Hello Indonesia, hello world. Welcome back to Popcorn and Perspectives. You're back with Miss K. Oh Captain, my Captain. Ada yang tahu nggak itu dari mana? Itu adalah sebuah puisi karya Walt Whitman tentang Presiden Amerika Serikat Abraham Lincoln yang waktu itu terbunuh, dan Walt Whitman waktu itu hidup sekitar abad ke-19. We're not gonna talk about that. I will, however, say about the movies that are in theaters these days. They're not very much attracting me, I suppose, because I don't know, maybe the economy has hit theaters. And also, I missed the movie titled The Long Walk. Itu juga film yang menarik tadinya, tapi sudah tidak ada. Ditulis oleh Stephen King, yang juga menulis The Body, yang jadi film judulnya Stand By Me, dibintangi Will Wheaton, River Phoenix, dan Richard Dreyfuss sebagai penulis. These are coming of age movies. Anyway, Dead Poets Society itu adalah sebuah film yang dibintangi Robin Williams, Robert Sean Leonard. Kalau Anda tahu serial House, Anda pasti tahu siapa dia. Kemudian ada Josh Charles dari The Good Wife. Kemudian ada Ethan Hawke, aktor yang dia membintangi Training Day, The Before Trilogy, dan banyak film lainnya. Dan film Dead Poets Society ini it really hit me in the feels, because you know what, it was one of my favorite coming of age movies selain Risky Business, Ferris Bueller's Day Off, The Outsiders, The Breakfast Club, Stand By Me, and Dead Poets Society, and so many more that came out in the 1980s. Okay, nah ini tentang sekelompok anak muda yang pergi sekolah di Welton Academy di New England pada akhir tahun 50-an. Welton Academy is a preparatory school yang dimana anak-anak murid-muridnya itu persiapan untuk masuk ke Ivy League seperti Harvard, Yale, Princeton, schools like that. Jadi pendidikannya amat sangat ketat, guru-gurunya juga sangat kolot, dan kalau dihukum itu masya Allah sakit banget, pasti dipukul itu oleh kepala sekolahnya. Dan ada seorang guru substitute teacher yang bernama John Keating yang diperankan Robin Williams. Dan dia mengedukasi murid-murid ini untuk tidak mengikuti konformis seperti guru-guru di sekolah tersebut, tapi untuk mengikuti kata hati dan carpe diem, atau to seize the day, atau bahasa Indonesianya mungkin ikuti kata hati dan jangan lakukan apa yang Anda ingin lakukan. So much so that it affected these boys, and something happened. What happened? Well, you'll have to see the movie. It is really a good movie. It's a coming-of-age movie, and it's a very educative movie, and very touching as well. Saya ingat karena waktu itu salah satu dosen kurang lebih sama seperti John Keating, in a good way. And of course, waktu itu teman saya dan teman-teman saya yang lain amat sangat terpengaruh oleh beliau. May he rest in peace. And waktu itu saya juga ingat pada saat film itu keluar, kita diundang oleh sebuah sekolah lain atau universitas lain, dan kita membawa we recited a poem. How do you say that? We recited a poem, and we even brought bongos, for crying out loud, to this other university, and we performed in front of them. And I think we won a prize, I'm not sure. But anyway, saya ingin mengatakan bahwa saat itu adalah sebuah momen yang amat sangat berarti bagi saya dan teman-teman saya. And also, well, what else should I say about Dead Poets Society? Just to, if you can see it on DVD, go and see it. Did I mention about the actors? Yes, I did. Did I mention about, what else? Ethan Hawke? Oh yes, he's also now starring in Black phone 2 will be, it will be released pretty soon, I suppose. So anyway, that's about it about Dead Poet Society. This has been, you know, seen on YouTube channels, maybe because the Z generation is really interested in what Robin Williams has done during his heydays, like Good Will Hunting, Good Morning Vietnam, and Dead Poet Society. So go and see it, rent it, buy it, whatever you want to do, just see it. Oh, and also before I forget, because I keep forgetting, like, follow, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't already. And if you have, I really appreciate it. Because little old me, this is what I can do for the time being. So hope you enjoy it. Until next time.